In 1977, a family in Enfield, North London, began experiencing what would become one of the most famous hauntings in history. It started small, strange knocking sounds, objects moving slightly out of place. 11-year-old Janet Hodgson became the focus of the strange activity when furniture began sliding across the room on its own. Even family members witnessed eerie events, adding to the sense of fear and confusion. The family, desperate and terrified, called in paranormal investigators. The haunting would soon escalate in terrifying ways. From strange knocking sounds to furniture moving on its own, the Hodgson family was gripped by fear for years. Paranormal investigators and skeptics alike were drawn to the case. Could you live in a home where strange forces seem to be in control? Comment below and let us know.